Good morning everyone. Welcome to Maths Online class. We are continuing with chapter 11, Area and its Boundary. Today we are going to do a few exercises based on the concepts learned so far in this chapter. Let's read question 3 now. Draw two rectangles having different combinations of length and breadth, but have the same perimeter of 32 centimeter. Beta, in the previous two questions, I gave you area. This time I have given you the perimeter. Clear? So, when we are given the perimeter in the question, what are we going to do first of all? We'll find half of the perimeter. Now, half of 32 centimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. After finding half of the perimeter, we will find such combinations of two numbers whose sum will be equal to half of the perimeter, which is 16 centimeter. Clear? Now, why have I asked you to follow these two steps? Now pay attention. The formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Now we already know the perimeter. We are required to find two such dimensions. With those two dimensions, we should be able to get the perimeter of 32 centimeter. Now, here we did 2 times the sum of length and breadth. To make our calculations easier on this side, what am I going to do? I will simply find half of the perimeter so that I look for two such numbers whose sum will be equal to half of the perimeter. So, let's find such combinations of two numbers. I begin with 1, that is the first counting number. 1 plus 15 will give me 16. Next counting number is 2. 2 plus 14 will give me 16. 3 plus 13 will give me 16. 4 plus 12 will give me 16. 5 plus 11 will be equal to 16. That is half of the perimeter. 6 plus 10 will also be equal to 16. Let's write more combinations here. Then next is 7 plus 9 will also give me 16. Next will be 8 plus 8 will also give me 16. If I write beyond this, that would be the repetition of the same numbers which we have already written. Let me write one option for you. You will come to know. Next counting number after 8 is 9. 9 plus what will give us 16? 7. So this is already here. Either you write 7 plus 9 or you write 9 plus 7. It's one and the same thing. And observe one more thing, students. It's not this that you are required to take the first number only as the length and the second number should be taken as the breadth. You can interchange the places also. You can swap. You can take the first numbers as breadth and the second numbers as length. So it's all up to you. So this way, how many combinations of length and breadth do we get? These are many. Like 6 here, 2 more here. So that makes it 8. But this is going to be a square. And what do we need? We need rectangles. Clear? So 7 and 7 more if we swap the places. So that makes it 14. And we are required to draw only 2 rectangles. Clear? So let's draw those 2 rectangles, everyone. This is my first rectangle and this is the second one. Can I leave the rectangles like this? Whenever you draw a figure and if you know the dimensions, you should write them for sure. So let's select any two combinations of length and breadth, everyone. I have selected these two. So if I take the first number as the length, so this is a smaller dimension, okay? So I'll write here in front of the smaller dimension, I'll be writing 6 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Now in second case, I take this. So length is taken as 5 centimeter and breadth is taken as 11 centimeter. Now if you want to check whether with these two combinations of length and breadth, are we getting the same perimeter of 32 centimeter? So simply apply the formula of finding the perimeter, put the values and you will get your answer. So shall we check? Let's check, no problem. What is the formula for finding perimeter? It is 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Let's put the values. 2 times length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. So 2 times 6 plus 10 is 16 centimeter and 2 times 16 gives us 32 centimeter. So with this combination of length and breadth, we are able to get the perimeter as 32 centimeter. Let's check the second combination also. Again, we'll write the formula 2 into L plus B. Put the values 2 into L is what beta? 5 centimeter. B is what? It is 11 centimeter. So 2 times sum of 5 and 11 will be 16 and 2 times 16 is equal to 32 centimeter. Let's move to question 4. Let's read question 4 now. Draw two rectangles having different combinations of length and breadth but have the same perimeter of 40 meters. Find the area of the rectangles drawn. So let's draw the rectangles first and then we are going to do the second part of this question. What do we do first? First we will find half of the perimeter. Perimeter is 40 meters and half of 40 you all know is 20 meters. Now we will look for two such numbers whose sum will be equal to half of the perimeter, that is 20 meters. Let's write the combinations, everyone. We begin with the first counting number, that is 1. 1 plus 19 will give us 20. 2 plus 18 will also give us 20. 3 plus 17 will give us 20. 4 plus 16 is also equal to 20. 5 plus 15 is also equal to 20. 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. Let's write more combinations on this side. 7 plus 13 is also equal to 20. Next counting number is 8. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. Next is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now, if I select this combination, then it is going to be a square. But we need rectangles. And if I write beyond this combination also, then it would be the repetition of same two numbers which we have already written. So I should stop writing the combinations now. Select any two. I have selected these two. Fine. So let's draw the rectangles, everyone. These are the two rectangles I have drawn. So these are the two rectangles. Okay, we'll swap the bases let's take this side as the length and this as the breadth. So, I've selected these two. I write length is equal to 13 meters and breadth is equal to 7 meters. And here I write length is equal to 12 meters and breadth is equal to 8 meters. Clear everyone? Now we have drawn the rectangles. If you want, you can check your answers also by finding the perimeter. It would be equal to 40 meters. Okay. But we have the second part of the question also. Find the area of the rectangles drawn. We have drawn these two rectangles. So let's find the area here everyone. Area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So let's put the value. It's 13 meters multiplied by 7 meters. You all know 13 sevens are 91 square meters. Clear? Similarly, we'll find the area of this rectangle also. Area is equal to L into B. And we are putting the values. Length is 12 meters and breadth is 8 meters. 12 8s are 96 square meters. I hope everyone has understood. That's it for today, children. Do practice such questions at home and see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.